Olaf died a few weeks ago due to a sickness. And Jade, the green parakeet, died due to suicide. Or her lack of flying skills. And she fell into a toilet. So, yeah. That kind of explains why we have Lolita the bird. The cockatiel. My sister is going to play with the bird, and I'm going to show you.